children, welcome to English class. So let us see about the second part, that is the third part of the tsunami lesson. Okay. So in the previous class I left to tell that Tilly was celebrating the birthday party in the seashore. So the sea waves started forming and the sea waves started rising. So then she thought of the geography lesson teacher, what she has taught for her. She came to know that is going to create the danger. So they left the place. When they left the place, the giant waves came from the back itself. Okay, so many of them people, they have taken back in the waves. Now let us see in the third part. Okay, look carefully at the picture of the boy and his dog and try to describe the things that you see using just words and phrases. Either the teacher or one of the students can write down the words and phrases on the blackboard. So here if you see there, we can see in the picture what you are going to see, that is that the boy sitting in a very sorrowful mood and holding it up. There we can see in front of him so much of water. Okay, so and also he is sitting on a broken bench there, that is right. This is how you can start. Calm, blue sleep and rain huts. So here the author is telling that just to write few words seeing that picture. Okay, now before the starting lesson I told you how it is going to create the destruction and also what all the loss of lives and the properties will be happening because of the tsunami. Alright. So now before the giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. See here, the animals are having sixth sense, they are telling. Okay, so before anything, this natural calamities or anything could happen, that is this thing will be known to the animals when the prior to that. Okay, so ಅದು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಅನಾಹುತ ಆಗಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಇದು ಏನೋ ಅನಾಹುತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ತಿಳಿಯುತ್ತಂತೆ. So what they are going to do at that time, they are going to run to the safer place. Okay, ಆ ಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದುರಿಕೆ ಆಗೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೇನೇ ಇದಾಗೋದು ಕೂಡ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಮನವರಿಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So here the author is telling like this: they fled to safety. They fled. Fled means that is the past tense of flee, means running away to the safer place. Okay. According to the eyewitness accounts, elephants screamed and ran for the higher grounds. Okay, so according to this one, everyone, whoever saw this one before this calamity used to happen, ಈ ಒಂದು ಸುನಾಮಿ ಆಗಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಆನೆಗಳು ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಒಂದು ಹೈಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ತಳ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, there are the chances of getting drowned in water. If at all they go to the highland, this thing means then there is less possibilities of happening of dangerous. Okay, right. So now dogs refuse to go outdoors. So the owners of the dogs, they used to take the dogs to the outdoors, but the dogs refused at that time because they sense something is going to happen. ಏನೋ ಅನಾಹುತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ಓನರ್ಗಳು ನಾಯಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು, ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಫ್ಲೆಮಿಂಗೋಸ್ ಅಬಂಡೆಂಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಲೋ ಲೈನ್ ಬ್ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್. ಫ್ಲೆಮಿಂಗೋಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳು, ಅವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಗಳಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ಡಿಡ್ ಗೋ ಓಕೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಝೂ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ರಶ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದೇರ್ ಶೆಲ್ಟರ್. ಝೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಗಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಪಾಪ, ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಶೆಲ್ಟರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಡಗಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ವು. And could not be enticed to come back, so they didn't come back outside. Okay, no ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನಾಹುತ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಮುಂಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, so they did like that. Many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense and know when the earth is going to shake. So this sixth sense are going to, that is ನಮಗೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅನಿಮಲ್ಗೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅದಂತ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಶಕ್ತಿ. ಅದು ಅರ್ಥವೇಕ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಂತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ದಟ್ animals more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. ಸೊ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆಯವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋರು, ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಂದು ತೀಕ್ಷ್ಣವಾದಂತ ಒಂದು ಶಬ್ದವನ್ನು ಗ್ರಹಿಕೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಅವುಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ an approaching disaster long before humans realize what's going on. So before the humans could know that what is going to happen, what danger is going to get caused, these animals could sense out because of their acute hearing sense. Okay, so we cannot be sure whether animals have a sixth sense or not, but no one is sure that they are having sixth sense or not. But this is true that whenever the disaster or anything is going to happen means they are going to go or run away to the safer place. But the fact is that the giant waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than 150,000 people in a dozen countries. So 1.5 lakh people na on the dozen countries means 12 countries. This happened. Okay, but not many animals have been reported dead. So one more thing what we can say that is the reports showed only the death of the people. Okay, ಮನುಷ್ಯರ ಒಂದು ಸಾವು ನೋವುಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಹೊರತು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನ್ಯೂಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸಿನ ಡೆತ್ತಿನ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಫಿಗರ್ಸು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೇ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ದ ಸೇಫರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ. ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಕುಡ್ಲೂರ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕುಡ್ಲೂರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಈ ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸು. ಸೊ ಈ ಸುನಾಮಿ ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಸೊ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ have been acquired by the waters, right? Along India's Kudlur coast, where thousands of people perished, buffaloes, goats and dogs were found unharmed. So many people were caught, died there, and there this one property, everything has been lost. But this one buffaloes, goats, everything, dogs were unharmed. Means they are not harmed. They were in the safer side. The Yella National Park in Sri Lanka is the home to a variety of animals including elephant. So Yella National Park alli varieties of animals ಇದೆ. Leopards and 130 species of birds could be seen there in Yella National Park. 60 visitors were washed away from the Patanangala beach inside the park. So ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ, ಯೆಲ್ಲಾ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 60 ಜನ ವಿಸಿಟರ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀರು ಪಾಲಾಗಿ ಸತ್ತೋದ್ರು. ನೋ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರ್ಕ್ಯಾಸಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಫೌಂಡ್. ಕ್ಯಾರ್ಕ್ಯಾಸಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಣ ಅಂತೇಳಿ, ಡೆಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ಸತ್ತೋದ್ರು, ಆದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಅನಿಮಲಿನ ಡೆಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕಾಣಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ 2 ವಾಟರ್ ಬಫೆಲೋಸ್. 2 ವಾಟರ್ ಬಫೆಲೋ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸತ್ತೋಗಿದ್ದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇನ್ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಸತ್ತೋಗಿರೋಂಥ ಒಂದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆರ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಬೌಟ್ an hour before the tsunami hit, people at Yella National Park had observed 3 elephants running away from the Patanangala beach. So here the visitor who has visited Yella National Park, they saw that elephants are running. Okay, so but they couldn't know this one find out for what they are running, because the animals are unable to speak. Right? If at all the humans notice, that means they used to scream like this, right? And they used to run. But animals, they are unable to tell what is going to happen, right? So these humans are beyond their control to just to think what they are doing, right? A Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast near Galle said his 2 dogs would not go for their daily runs on the beach. ಈ ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕನ್ ಒಬ್ಬ ಜೆಂಟಲ್ಮನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, 2 ನಾಯಿಗಳು ಸಾಕಿದ್ದ, ಅದು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬೀಚ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವು. ಅವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ಯಾಕೋ ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ವು. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಆನ್ ದ ಔಟಿಂಗ್. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಭಾಳ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಿದ್ವು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಆದರೆ ಅವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯಾಕೋ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. he said. But on that day they refused to go, and most probably saved his life, because they didn't go, the owner of the dogs also didn't go. That's why he also saved with the dog. So this is all about the lesson. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.